In order to record on the iPad, I like to do it from my control center. So in order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I have a screen recording in my control center. So if I go to settings and I look here in my control center, under customize controls, I can see that here I have my screen recording all set up here. You can notice that here in screen recording I have that already located in my control center. So once I notice that that's there, I can open up my control center by swiping down from the upper right hand corner of my control center. You'll notice that I already have it recording, but otherwise I would click on that and I would make sure that the microphone is enabled. So once I click on that, it'll ask me if I want to have the microphone on, and I do. So then I can have that on, and as you can see, it's already recording whatever's on my iPad. So then I can go to whatever document that I want. I can go over into Notability, and it'll let me highlight and circle whatever it is that I want to highlight. And then once I'm done, in the upper right hand corner, you'll notice that there is a little red, up there, there's a little red circle, and I can hit stop, and then that'll stop my recording. Once I'm done recording, then it'll save that to my photos, and then I could do whatever I want with that recording and upload it to Schoology or wherever I want to keep that and share it with my students however I want to. And that's it.